Dear Miss Altman, the Queen wishes me to thank you for your letter, in which you tell Her Majesty about Pluto, who, with the help of our owner, Ms. N.J. Wight, has spread kindness and good humour for more than 18 months via online videos to people around the world who have been suffering as a result of the challenges caused by COVID-19. Oh boy, that was a pretty long sentence. Okay, here's the next one. Although unable to do as you ask, the Queen was interested to hear about this remarkable schnauzer and the joy, support and comfort she has given during the last 2 years. And I am to thank you very much for writing as you did. Yours sincerely, Elizabeth Leeming.